Hey guys, Chris back from CNH Small Engine again here. Got another quick video here for you. I decided to make this video simply because the fact is this customer did virtually no maintenance to the machine in probably about 4.5 to 5 years here specifically for that. And I just want to show you what the symptoms are. The customer calls up here a couple days ago. They claimed the machine would not start. It was giving them hard starting problems last year at the end of the season, and the guy simply got fed up with it, and he basically threw it in his shed and did not want to do anything about it until this past week, and when he brought it over here for that. So I just want to show you what actually happens when you have a no-start situation here. It's caused by the owner's incompetence and negligence of doing any kind of routine maintenance on their machines for reference points. So the guy has a lawn boy here with a Briggs and Stratton, the overhead valve, new generation overhead valve engine. And I'll give you a shot of the front of the engine here. And this is the lawn boy with the overhead valve, Briggs and Stratton engine on here specifically for that. And let me get a date code on here. This is August. Where's it at here? I think it's 2017 on here, I think, on it. It's 2016 or 2017. Sorry, but I can't read too good right now, but it is on here. It's 2016 or 2017, the date code for the manufacturer of the engine. And the air filter on this one right here, it is totally and utterly packed with grass right here, guys. This is no joke. I'm being totally honest about it, so you cannot, come back and say I was lying about it. But this is what the guy's air filter looks like after about four and a half years of zero maintenance to the machine here. Air filter is totally and utterly packed with debris, guys. That's what your air filter looks like after about 4 years of running it in a dusty, dirty environment and not changing it at all. Even had the Briggs and Stratton logo still on the actual air filter body. And that's what happens, guys. This guy was claiming it would not start. And he also has debris down inside the actual tank here for reference as well too. So the guy's gas cap was missing when he originally brought it over here to us here. And so basically right now he needs the entire tank probably cleaned out about 2 or 3 times right here, because unfortunately, anytime you get small particles down inside your tank, you got to flush it out at least 2 or 3 times. And the filter needs to be cleaned out as well too down inside there. And also the crap goes down into the carb spool and causes a hard starting or no start situation, as it is in this case with this guy's machine right here for reference points. So if you have a machine similar to this design right here, it's always a good idea to at least do the routine maintenance at least once a season out there, guys, because if you don't do any kind of maintenance, you'll eventually have a no start situation from a lack of maintenance, as you see right here where the air filter is totally and utterly plugged and the engine cannot breathe at all for reference points. So that's what the air filter looks like, totally clogged up, zero maintenance by the owners, incompetence and negligence right there for that. And the oil looks pretty dark as well too. Let's show you the oil level right here. Oil level is, or I should say, the oil level is actually pretty good on here. It's up to the full line. However, the oil level is extremely dark in there as well too. The actual guy did claim he did add some oil over time, but the thing was he never really did an oil change, and you need to do an oil change on these machines, even though I seen on Briggs and Stratton's website they claim you do not need to do any kind of an oil change. All you got to do is just add oil to it. That's a misnomer. They're basically lying to you when they're telling you that. You need to do an oil change at least once a season out there. Use high quality detergent, full synthetic or synthetic blend oil, preferably SN plus specification out there for that, and your engine should last a long time if you use good synthetic or non-synthetic, like a synthetic blend type of oil out there for reference points. So I just want to touch base with you guys and show you a actual proof case here from a person who did no lack of maintenance to their machine hardly at all, and what it actually what the overall results are because of that one problem where you have a no start situation such as this one right here. A person dropped it off a couple days ago, guys. So anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, feel free to leave me a message here and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day.